legislature is a distinct arm of government that works on, it doesn't work on sentiment. It works on your ability to do the job. Your ability to do the job. It is the principle, it is the tradition all over the world. So it's there in our rules. It's there in our rules that, and this rule is a product of the Constitution. Section 60 gives the latitude to the National Assembly to create means of regulating its procedure, including summoning summoning the houses of assembly, that is the Senate and the House of Reps, and then recess as well. And that gives us the reason why we have our standing rules. And it's clear in the standing rules that aspiration or election for the office of the Senate presidency shall be in accordance with ranking. And amongst those who are seeking to acquire that office as we speak, I have the highest ranking. So it's constitutional. Among those who are aspiring, who have shown their intentions, who are aspiring, I am the one that is most experienced. The issue is that of competence. It's competence. You need to be grounded in the procedure of legislation before you are able to be the president of the Senate. The rules and regulations on how we do our activities here, you need to be knowledgeable in them, you need to be grounded, and that's the tradition all over the world. And as you speak, I'm number one among those who have shown their intent to aspire. So do you now relegate competence for other sentiments? We can do that. So here, if you are talking about such sentiments even, not what deserve to be given the Senate presidency, because we gave the president the highest votes. And we want our president to go for second term after this election, after this one. We want him to go for second term because we saw what he did in Lagos, transform Lagos to become an economic El Dorado. So we want him to replicate that here in Nigeria, replicate that for the entire country. And he was able to do that when he served 2 terms. So we want to give him more votes, more than what we gave him in the just concluded election in 2027. So you need to reward, performance. You need to reward performance. So that sentiment wouldn't fly. Bringing religious sentiment into it wouldn't fly. The legislature is an arm of government that needs to work very hard to check the executive. So when you bring this kind of sentiment into the activities of the legislature, you are not doing well for this arm of government.